find the lighting. Boom, 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 boom. Hello, everybody, guys and ladies and girls and babies. Anyway, so today I decided that I need to clean my refrigerator, but I was like, why not make it a little fun and time myself to do it? It is really bad, like extremely bad. I'm not even exaggerating. So I'm gonna set a timer. I'm going to give myself 30 minutes to get it done. Can I do it? I don't know. Carmel's over there washing dishes. Yes, putting them to work this summer. So I first have to start by showing you this refrigerator, and I think I'm going to include the freezer. The freezer has to be done too. So let's look at the freezer first. Dun dun dun. Horrible. Well, okay, I'm not talking about the food. She says too many vegetables. Whatever. So I gotta clean this out, and let's show you the refrigerator. It's bad. It's horrible. I have stuff to throw out. It is a hot mess in there. I don't even want to show you all of it. But so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up my tripod. I'm going to start cleaning it out. Hopefully Ryan and Rachel will sit here and let me finish it. The timer is going on for 30 minutes. I think I can do it in 30 minutes without interruption. Hopefully. So just threw his bread on the floor. So I don't know how long they're gonna sit here. I know that I can get them to sit here if hello Jeremiah. If I can get it done if they sit here and finish their snack of toasted bread.
See, they put out my hair.
Are you gonna help me with the refrigerator? Goodbye. He said no. Okay, so anyway, so I'm gonna start this. I'm gonna set my time. I'm gonna set up the camera on my tripod. I'm gonna set a timer on Alexa, and I'm gonna get to work. Do you think I could do this in 30 minutes? Leave a comment below if you think I could do it, okay? Thank you. So, without further ado, let's get this started. Yay! Okay, here I am, already set up. Refrigerator is open and shown and exposed. So Alexa,
Set a timer for 30 minutes.
let's do this. Can I do it, Carmela? Tomatoes, trash. I don't think, well, they might be tomatoes, I guess. Are we? To do was take everything out of the refrigerator. I had to empty every single thing out. There was a lot of old condiments, old salad dressings. The refrigerator actually looks a lot fuller than it is because everything is just thrown in there unorganized. So I know what I need to do after I do this is to make sure that I organize my refrigerator. I'm actually going to be reorganizing my whole entire kitchen because it is a hot mess. Summertime has taken its toll on me. As a lot of you, I'm a stay-at-home working mom, so I have a business that I do on the outside of being a mom. So, therefore, my house has been on the back burner. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the drawers, everything that come out, I'm going to take it outside, I'm going to hold it down and take my cleaners out there. And, yeah, so I'll take you guys out there to do that. So I think I should pause my timer while I shimmy on out there. So Alexa, pause my timer. Here I am outside holding down all the inner compartments. I usually put in the sink, but this was way more easier to do. And the only issue I had was I forgot that my boys had mowed the lawn, so I had to go inside and clean off grass, but whatever. Now I'm back inside and I am going to spray down the inside of this disgusting refrigerator. It was really bad. Like, there was all the gunk on the bottom. I kind of, it's one of those things where you spill one thing, you're like, I'll get it next time. Spill another thing, I'll get it next time. And you spill and spill and spill and spill. And then you have this mess here. So how do you fix that? You just go ahead and clean it when you're supposed to clean it. Yeah. Are we still hanging out? Yeah.
You're sweating.
I know I'm sweating, I'm working. I'm going to finish this in the less amount of time that I have. I don't know, I'm sweating. Yeah, but I'm talking and I'm wasting time. So. Okay, now I am continuing to scrub out this mess of a refrigerator. It took me a lot longer than I anticipated. because of all the like the gunk that was just there. In the future, if I would have given myself more time, what I would have done is boiled some water and let it sit on the bottom to loosen that up and not use so much elbow grease, but I got it out. So yeah, now I'm going to wipe down everything with my glass cleaner that I got, the method I love, the way it smells like mint. And then here I am putting in the wiping down the shelves that I hosed outside, getting all that grass and crap off and putting all the compartments back. I loved timing myself because I feel like it helped me race the clock and actually get it done. And the baby sat there the whole time and just babbled and talked to each other. So yeah, that was great.
Oh my gosh. And that's it. Timer went off. Babies are still sitting quietly. Had a few technical difficulties, but that's it. So I did not get to the freezer. I'm an overachiever. I can't believe I got this done in the time I got it done. Therefore, I'm gonna put everything back in. I'm gonna take these babies out so they can go play, and I'll be right back in a few minutes. My refrigerator, guys, I finished. I went over my time. My memory card got full, so I had to empty out the memory. Card, but there we go. It's clean. Yeah. So the goal is to never let it get to that point ever again. Yeah. Maybe maintaining it weekly, going through it for leftovers, like, yeah, because yes, today was just like, no, not happening. But anyway, I gotta go. I got a baby here. Come on, Ryan, let's go. Ryan, hey, what you doing in Mama's refrigerator? What you doing in Mama's refrigerator? Yes, it's clean. It's clean, I know. Say, keep it that way, keep it that way, woman. Okay, okay, that's enough. That's enough. Nothing to say, girl? No? Okay. They're taking my camera. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna end it here, I think. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Okay. Watching this video. If you want more like this, I'm actually going to be decluttering my whole kitchen, so there are more to come because I have a lot to do because I'm way behind on my housework. Therefore, there we go. Therefore, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, all that good stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.